One. Now we are going to discuss about involute. So involute is like our cyclone. Yeah, see the cyclone structure. During cyclone, we used to see this type of cloud. And example of involute, like this animation will be shows in our house washing machine inside the water and clothes mixed together. We used to see the day by day life in our house also. So this animation shows involute. Yes. And in amusement park we used to enjoy the ride like this involute rides. During Diwali, like this crackers we used to fire and enjoy. See here the involute rides in amusement parks will enjoy a lot. Yeah, so this animation also shows a involute drawing. So what is common in them? Exactly, we need to solve like this type of drawing. Yeah, in the differential geometry of curves, an involute, also known as evolvent, it's a curve obtained from another given curve by attaching an imaginary the string to given curve and tracing its free end as it is would on to that given curve or in reverse unbound. Now we'll see a video about involute. Draw a involute to a circle of 50 mm dia. Also draw the tangent and normal to the curve at any given point. So now we used to draw a radius 25 mm. Draw a circle, divided the circle by 8 parts. So we know that 2 pi r. So r is radius 25. So we'll solve that. We'll give we can get 157.07 mm. So after dividing the circle, we need to divide the AP line. Almost AP is 159 mm. We need to divide. So this is one type of dividing, but easily we can divide 159 divided by 7. And we need to draw the straight lines 190 degree, 290 degree, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 90 degree lines. Okay, now we need to take a measurement from P to 1 dash. So this AP dash we need to divide 157 mm divided by 8. After that we need to draw the straight lines. See here in the circle 5 to 1. Take that baseline. For that baseline we need to draw the 90 degree line, and 6 to 2, that line inside the circle. Take that horizontal line. For that horizontal line you need to draw vertical line for that. Likewise 7 3 vertical line, 8 4 vertical line, 1 5 vertical line, and 2 6 vertical line, 3 7 vertical line, and 4 8 vertical line. For that, see that line, it's merged A to P line. Now we need to take a mini drafter P to 1 dash. Take that P to 1 dash length in your mini drafter. Keep in circles 1 point. Cut that straight line, that is P dash to P1. P dash to P, take that length, keep it in 1 and cut that P1. Yeah, likewise take P to 2 dash, cut that line, P to 3 dash, cut that line. Yeah, P to 5 dash, keep it in 5 and cut that P5 line. Likewise P6 and P7. So we need to join from P to P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. All the point you need to draw like a curve. Yes. So this is exact involute. Yeah.